Hello students, welcome back to Infinite and Then. So today in this particular video we shall be revising all the previous chapters we have discussed in our previous classes of class 7. In the name of the chapters where first one is exponent powers, second one was algebraic expression, and the third one was percentage and its application. We will be knowing all the concepts and we will be revising all the concepts such that our concepts gets more crystal clear. Okay, that means we will be summarizing all the previous chapters. So now let's start with our first chapter, that is exponent and powers. So basically this exponent and power, this word came from a form of a number, isn't it? And the form of that number was exponential form. Okay, so let us know what is that exponential form. So before that, let us write the name of the chapter, that is exponents, exponents, exponents and powers. Okay, exponent and powers. So as I told you, these two words came from a form of a number which is known as exponential form. And what was exponential form? Exponential form was we got exponential form when a certain number is multiplied many times, isn't it? When a certain number is multiplied many times, we can express the number in the exponential form. Clear? For example, let's have a look to this for 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So how to express this in the exponential form? Here we will see which number is multiplied. Okay, here which number is multiplied? Here 4 is multiplied, isn't it? How many times it is multiplied? It is multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So we will write this 5 in its power. This position, the name of this, that is where 5 is there, the name of this position is known as exponent. Okay, exponent, exponent or power or index. Okay, and the name of this position is known as base. Clear? And the sum total, that is exponent and base, makes exponential form. exponential exponential form. Clear? This is a form of a number, isn't it? Now this 4 into 4 is how much? 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 4 is how much? 64. 64 into 16 is how much? Look, 64 into 16. 64 into 16. 6 4s are 24. 2 6 36 37 38 4 6. So 4 12 10. 1024. This 1024 can be written in this form, that is 4 to the power 5. This is a special form of 1024, isn't it? This form is known as exponential form. Clear? Okay. So how to find the exponential form? Look, for example, 104 we have. So 1024. Now this number is divisible by 4, isn't it? Because we know that divisibility rule of 4. If the last 2 digit is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. So here the last 2 digit is divisible by 4. That means this 1024 will also be divisible by 4. Clear? So let's divide the 1024 with 4. 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 10. Remainder left 2. 4 into 5 is 20. Then again 2 4. 4 into 6 is 24. Okay, then 2 into 4 into 5 is 20. 4 into 6 is 24, isn't it? 1 6. 4 into 4 is 16. Then again 4 into 16 is 64. Okay, then again 4 into 4 is 16. So look, 1 2 3 4 5. So 4 to the power 5. This is how we can express a number in the exponential form. Okay, let's discuss 2 to 3 more numbers. So the question will be like this: express number in the exponential form. Okay, and what is the exponential form? Exponential form means it is a form of a particular number in which we have to the number which is multiplied. Okay, how to find that number? Just find out the factors. Okay, the number which is multiplied, we have to write that number in the base, and how many times it is multiplied, we have to write it in the power. Okay, so let's discuss few more questions, and let's try to express the number in the exponential form. So our question will be, write write the numbers or express the number in exponential form. Exponential form. Okay. For example, 16. What? Number 1, 16. Number 2, 27. Number 3, 81. Okay. We have to express this 16, 27 and 81 in the exponential. So as I told you, we have to find out the factors, and finding factors is a very easy task. We have already found in our lower classes, isn't it? So this is divisible by which number? 2. 2 into 8 is 16. 2 into 2 is 4. Sorry, 2 into 4 is 8. Then 2 into 2 is 4. So this 16 can be written as like this, isn't it? 16 equals what? 2 into 2 into 2. It is 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 2. So it can be written here. Here which number is multiplied? 2 is multiplied. How many times it is multiplied? 4 times. So 16 can be written in the exponential form as 2 power 4. Clear? Here 27. 27 also can be written as like this. 27 equals what? 3 into 3 into 3. 23 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. So it can be written as 3 power 4. Clear? Okay. So next is 81. Okay, 81 can be written as like this: 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. 27 into 3 is 81. So it can be written as 3 power 4. Clear? So like this, if we find any more terms, if we find any more number, we can easily express it in the exponential form. Clear? Okay. Now if a number is like in the expanded form like this, for example, you can say it in the expanded form. Okay, if a few numbers are in the expanded form, so how to express it in the exponential form? Let's have a look. Clear? This expanded form may be there. Okay, just think for example, if we know how to express a number in this exponential form, that means we can easily we can easily write this whole that is write the answer, that is if the question is like this, that is if the question is in expanded form, we also can easily write in the exponential form, because this is the midway. Okay, we have already solved such type of questions, isn't it? Okay. Let's have a look. Write each of the following in the exponential form. Okay, so write each of the following in the exponential form. Now if questions are in a different way, okay, in this numbers are given, now expanded form is given, we have to express in the exponential form. Clear? So number 1 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So it can be written as what? It can be written as 3 power 4. Clear? Then this next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is 1 lakh. How this 1 lakh can be written? Look, very easy trick, very short technique. Look, no need to find out the factors with large number. Okay, look, this 100 can be written as what? 100 can be written as 10 into 10, isn't it? 10 into 10 is 100. So now it can be written as what? 10 square, isn't it? Because here 10 is multiplied how many times? 2 times. So 10 square. 1000 can be written as what? 1000 can be written as what? 10 into 10 into 10, isn't it? Now it can be written as 10 to the power 3. Look, there is a relation. If there is power, if there is 3 0, there is power 3. If there is 2 0, then there is power 2. And in base, what is it? 10. So in this case, first in base we will write 10. Then how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put 5. Clear? That means 1 lakh equals what? 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay. Okay. Now these were the numbers, isn't it? Now if we have variables like this, and if it is asked to express in the exponential form, then also very easy. Let's have a look. Number 3. A, for example, A into B into B into C. Okay, how to express it in the exponential form? First we have to find which numbers are multiplied, isn't it? Here only one number is multiplied, so we have written 3, but here look, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 different variables are multiplied, isn't it? So first we will write it like this: solution A into B into C. Okay, now A is multiplied how many times? 1, 2 times. 2. B is multiplied how many times? 2 times. C is multiplied how many times? 1 time. Finish. Clear? Okay. So now let's move to our next question, and let's that is simplify some of the exponential numbers. Okay, let's simplify. So next question will be simplify. I hope you are getting right. These are the very easy concepts. Just this video is for just revision, and if you have any doubt, again you can ask me. We'll try to discuss. Okay, we'll try to discuss. So now next question will be simplify. 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 Okay. So number 1, minus 1 to the power 3 into minus 2 power 3. Minus question number 1, minus 1 power 3 into minus 2 power 3. Okay. So look, if we have base negative, okay, if base is negative, note this 2 point in your copy. Okay, if base negative and power odd, if base negative and power odd, like this, look here, base is negative, power is odd, isn't it? So if base negative and power odd, then the result is negative. Okay, the number second point, if base is negative, and power or exponent, whatever you want, power even. What is even? Even is what? The number which gets divided by 2 is known as even. For example, the even numbers have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its unit place. Okay, so if base is negative and power is even, then the result will be positive. Okay, then the result is positive. Clear? Result is positive. So here we have base negative, power odd. So our result will be what? Result will be negative. Okay, so we'll write it like this, solution. Now 1 to the power 3 means what? 1 to the power 3 means what? 1 into 1 into 1, isn't it? So 1 into 1 into 1 means what? 1. First we'll write the result, and the result according to this rule, it will be negative. Clear? Next, 2 power 3 means what? 2 power 3 means what? 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 is how much? 4. 4 into 2 is 8. First write 8. Then as per the rule, if base negative, power odd, then the result is negative. Clear? Okay. Now look, 1 into 8 is how much? 8. Now minus plus. So it will be positive 8. Clear? Okay, let us solve one more where we have both negative, or where we have both positive and negative powers. Okay, sorry, even and odd powers. Let us solve one. I hope this is clear to you, right? Okay, let us solve one more, and after this I hope this concept will be clear. That is, when base is negative, power is power. If base negative, power odd, then the result will be negative. If base negative, power even, then result will be positive. Clear? Okay, we have like this. We have question number 3. Okay, like this we have question number 3 here, minus 3 power 3, minus 3 power 3 into minus 5 power 2. Like, look here, in both these cases base is negative, but in one case base is power is odd, and in another case power is even. Clear? Okay. So here 3 power 3 means what? 3 power 3 means what? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is how much? 9. 9 into 3. Look, 3 power 3 means what? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is how much? 9. 9 into 3 is how much? 27. Okay. So it will be 27. Now as per rule, base negative, power odd, result will be negative. Then put the into. Here 5 square, 5 minus 5 to the power 2 means what? 5 into 5. 5 square means 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 is how much? 25. Now base negative, power even, so it will be positive. Clear? How it is positive? Look here, minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. Look, minus minus plus, then plus minus minus, so minus. Now here minus 5 into minus 5. Look, minus minus plus. Okay, so now if we multiply 25 with 27, we will get the result. Clear? Okay, look, 25 into 25 is how much? 25 into 25 is 625, isn't it? And 1 of 50, it will be 675. Okay, 675 minus 675. Clear? Did you have noticed the difference? That is when base is negative, power odd, and when base is negative, power is even. Did you notice the difference? And the difference is, in one case the base result will be negative, and in the other case the result will be positive. Clear? Okay, very good. Okay, now we will find out the values of we will go through the some important relation of exponent and power. Okay, let us first discuss those relation, and then we will use the relation for solving or simplifying the exponent and powers. Okay, so first, what are the relations here? Let us discuss it again. Okay, number 1, a to the power m into a to the power n. That is, if we have two exponential form, okay, and the both cases base is same and power is different, and both the exponential forms are multiplied with each other, isn't it? Like this, a power m into a power n, the result will be what? A power m plus n. Okay, so first one is divide, so second one automatically it will be what? So this one is multiplied, so second one it will be divide, isn't it? So that means a power m divided by a power n equals what? A power m minus n. Look, in case of multiply, we have added, isn't it? But in case of divide, we have subtracted, because repeated addition is multiplication, and repeated division is what? Subtraction. Clear, isn't it? Okay. Next, in both the cases we have so next case, maybe base is negative, power is base is different but power is same, like this, a to the power m into b to the power m, isn't it? Here base is different but power is same, so here we will multiply the base, that is a into b, and we will take the power common. Clear? Okay. So one more case, a to the power m into b to the power m, so it will be a divided by b whole power m. Okay, a divided by b whole power m. Okay. Next, one more case we can find, that is a to the power 0. If a to the power 0 means what? It is 1. Clear? One more case, a to the power minus n means what? If we have power negative, it can be written as like this, 1 by a to the power n. Clear? Okay. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 important means what? Most important relation. Okay, these are the 6 most important relation of exponents and powers. Clear? One more you can say, a to the power 1. A to the power 1 means what? A. Clear? So if we find any number having power 0, its value will be 1. Okay, and if we find any number having power 1, its value will be the number itself. Okay, that is the number which is in the base. Clear? Okay. So now with the help of these relations or these formulas, we will simplify few more exponential forms. Okay. Okay, so let's number 1 simplify 2 power 7 divided by 2 power 3. Okay, the same question, simplify. Okay, but in this case we will use the relations. Clear? In the earlier cases, what we have done, we have find out the values, isn't it? In this one was what? For example, it was minus 3 power 3, isn't it? And the next one was minus 5 power 2. First we have find out the values, isn't it? That is minus 3 power 3 means what? Isn't it? In next case, minus 5 power 2 means what? We have find out the values, isn't it? And then we have multiplied and we got the result as minus 675, isn't it? But now in this case, we will not find out the values, because finding values, it takes much time. Okay, and then first we have to find out the values, and then we have to multiply and find out the product, or divide and find out the answer, isn't it? It takes much time. So we have this relation, with the help of this, it will it can be easily solved. Okay, so now first question is 2 by 7 2 power 7, number 1, 2 power 7 divided by 2 power 3, 2 power 3, okay, then bracket into 2 power, most probably it is 5. Okay, 5. Clear? Look how can we solve it. So first here bracket means given, that means we have to first solve out the bracket. Okay, we have to first find out the bracket, isn't it? So here we can consider a 2 as a, isn't it? Look, a power m divided by a power n. So we will be using this relation, isn't it? A power m divided by a power n equals a power m minus n. So here a is which number? Here a is 2, isn't it? So we'll write it like this solution. So first write this one, because this one is question from question, we can't directly start the answer. Okay, so a power m into a. Okay, so here look, a power m in divided by a power n means what? A power m minus n, isn't it? Then we have solved this part, then into sign, into 2 power 5. Okay, so in bracket we'll write it, since a power m divided by a power n equals a power m minus n. Okay, we have to write this relation. If you write this relation, it will be better for you to know. Okay, otherwise you will forget. Clear? So that means for solving this we have used this relation, so we have written this one here. Okay, so now look, 2 power 7 minus 3 means what? 7 minus 3 means 4, isn't it? So it will be 2 power 4 into 2 power 5. Okay, now you can consider this expression again, this is in this form, isn't it? A power m into a power n. A power m into a power n means what? A power m plus n. So we'll write it like this, a power m plus n. Okay, m plus n. So here it will be what? 2 power 4 plus 5 is how much? It is 9, isn't it? So this is your result. So as I told you, you can you have to write the relations, that is you have to write the relations which you are using in the bracket. So here which relations we have used? We have used a power m into a power n equals a power m plus n. Okay, we have used this relation and find out the answer as 2 power 9. Up to this clear? Okay, so let us solve few more questions. Okay, so the next one is 2 power, let's look. Very easy, very interesting. If you know the relations, then I hope you will enjoy the class. Okay, very interesting questions. 2 power 4 whole power 2 power 2 2 power 2 whole power 4 into 3 power 8. Okay, into 3 power 8 and third bracket into 5 power 8. Okay, 5 power 8. Here nothing is there. So look, here we have 2 power 2 whole bracket 4 and 3 power 8 and 5 to the power 8. So how to solve this? Very interesting. Look, let's look. Now it can be written as what? A power m whole power n, isn't it? That is in this form, a power m whole power n equals what? A power m into n, isn't it? So we'll write here solution. First we have to write this line, isn't it? So let's write a power 2 power 2 whole power 4 into 3 power 8 divided by whole 5 to the power 8. So as per the rule, we'll write 2 power 4 into 2 is how much? 2 into 4 is 8. So let's write 2 into 4 into 3 to the power 8. Okay, 3 to the power 8, then 5 to the power 8. In bracket we'll write since a to the power m whole bracket n equals a to the power m into n. Okay, that means we have used this relation here. Okay, this is nothing else. So now 2 into 4 is how much? 2 into 4 is 8, isn't it? So we'll write here 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 8. Look, in this case base is different but powers are same, isn't it? So it will be what? We have to multiply the base 2 into 3 and we have to take the power common, isn't it? Which relation is it is? It is a to the power m into b to the power m equals a b whole power m, isn't it? Okay, so now look, 2 into 3, okay, sorry, one, this 5 to the power, this left, isn't it? Sorry for that. 5 to the power 8 5 to the power 8. Okay, now 2 into 3 is how much? 6, isn't it? 6 to the power 8, then left into 5 to the power 8. Again this relation, 6 into 5 is how much? 30, isn't it? 30 to the power 8. Clear? I hope this is clear to you, right? How to this one, this was a bit different, okay, not a bit different, but in this case we have used the different formula, isn't it? In the earlier one it was a to the power m into a to the power n, that is having the base, same base, power different, but in this case power same different base. Clear? Nothing more. Okay. Okay, so now let us solve one, that is let us simplify one more exponential form, and then I hope you will understand better. Okay, so our next form is 4 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4. Same thing, same question, and in that case also we have to simplify. Okay, and the question is, okay, 4 into 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. 4 into 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4 divided by 2 into 2 to the power 5. Okay, so here look, we have base, in this case we have base 2 and 3 most in common, isn't it? Here the base is 2 or 3. Okay, but here one number is there, that is 4, isn't it? So how to if there was base 4, isn't it, we can easily solve the exponents, but here base is only 4. So to solve that we have to make the 4 as base 2, isn't it? So if we try to make 4 in the exponential form where its base will be 2, it can be written as what? It can be written as 2 power 2, isn't it? Because we know 4 can be written as 2 into 2, isn't it? Now 2 into 2 means what? 2 power 2, isn't it? So in place of 4 we will write 2 power 2. Okay. So now then we can continue with the relations a to the power m into a to the power n. With the help of that relation we can solve, okay, or we can simplify the given expression. So here we will write in place of 4 we will write 2 power 2. Okay, now next into 2 power 4, next 3 power 4. Clear? Okay, the next is what? 2, isn't it? So 2 this is power 1, and next is 2 power 5. Clear? Okay, now look one thing here, 2 power 2 into 2 power 4, that means a power m into a power n means what? A power m plus n, isn't it? Again we are using that relation, very important relation of exponent, okay, from exponent. So we will write here 2 power 2 plus 4, that is a to the a power m plus n. Okay, this one is m and this is n. So the value of this value of 2 power 2 into 2 power 4 is what? It is 2 power 2 plus 4. Okay, that is we have solved this part. Okay, we have solved this part. So which portion left? 3 to the power 4 left, isn't it? So in middle we have into, so it will be 3 power 4. Clear? Okay, now look in denominator. What is in the denominator? Again a power m into a power n means a power m plus n. So here m is 1 and n is 5. So we will write it 2 power 1 plus 5. Clear? Okay, now look. So here 2 power 2 plus 4 means what? 6 into, okay, in bracket we have to write the relation, isn't it? Since a power m into a power n equals a power m plus n. Okay, by using this relation we have came up to this, okay, in this equation. Clear? Okay, or expression, whatever you want to say you can say. So 3 power 4, now 2 power 1 plus 5 is how much? Very easy, 6. Clear? Now again look, we have to simplify it, isn't it? Now look here, a power m or a power m divided by a power n, isn't it? So it can be written as like this, isn't it? 2 power 6 minus 6, because a power m divided by a power n means what? A power m minus n. Okay, next left what? Into 3 power 4. Clear? Okay, we have used which relation here? That is a power m divided by a power n equals a power m minus n. Okay, now 6 minus 6 is how much? 6 minus 6 is 0, so it will be 2 power 0. Okay, 2 power 0, 2 power 0 into 3 to the power 4. Okay, now 2 to the power 0 means what? 1, isn't it? Into 3 power 4. In bracket we can write since a to the power 0 equals 1. Okay, if we have any number and if we have power 0, okay, the value of that number will be what? 1. Clear? Okay, now look, 1 into 3 to the power 4 means what? 3 to the power 4. Clear? I hope this is how you can simplify the given equations or given expressions. Okay, let us solve one more. This was only about numbers, isn't it? Now we will introduce variables. Okay, so if there is variables as well as number, how can we solve such exponential form? Let us look. This is clear, isn't it? Very easy. Just use the relation of exponents and the result will come by itself. Okay, so our next equation is 3 to the power 6 into a power 5. 3 power 6 into a power 5 divided by 9 power 2 into a power, most probably it is 3. Yes, 3. Okay, now again a bit difference from the earlier one. Look, here we have a, isn't it? A, so it's very easy, we can divide now, but in this case we have 3 power 6 and in denominator we have 9 power 2. Clear? So again we have to make this denominator, that is base, same. Okay, so which one will opt? We will opt making 9 as base 3, isn't it? Because if we know 9 can be written as what? 9 can be written as 3 into 3, isn't it? So in place of 9 we can write 3 square, isn't it? So in place of 9, here also we will write 3 square. In the previous one, in place of 4 we have written 2 square, isn't that? Okay, same in this case also we will write 3 square. So let's have a look. So it will be the numerator will be same, 3 power 6 into a power 5 divided by, in place of 9 I am writing 3 square. Okay, and there 9 has square, isn't it? So this is that square into a power 3. Clear? Okay. Now look, again the denominator will be same, sorry, numerator will be same. We will not do anything in the numerator, rather we will simplify the denominator. Okay, here look, a power m whole power n means what? A power m whole power n means a power mn. Okay, a power m whole power n means what? A power mn. That is, here in this case we have to multiply the powers. Okay, so here also we will multiply. The numerator will be same. Okay, in numerator it will be 3 power 6 into a power 5 and it will be 3 power 2 into 2 is how much? 4. How this 4 came? Here we have multiplied it, 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is how much? It is 4. Okay, okay. Next left is a power 3. Okay, in bracket we can use which relation here we have used? We will write since a power m whole power n equals a power m into n. Okay, we have used this relation in this case. Clear? Okay, here m is what? 2, n is also 2. So m and n, that is 2 into 2 is 4, which we have got it. Okay, isn't it? Now very easy, like the earlier one, a power m divided by a power n means what? A power m minus n. Here m is 6, n is 4, so it will be 3 power 6 minus 4, isn't it? Very good. So it will be 3 power 6 minus 4. Okay, next is what? Into, then again a power m divided by a power n, it will be a power m minus n. Okay, now look, 3 power 6 minus 4 is how much? 2 into a power 2. Okay, now look, a power m into a b power m. Here base are different but power is same, isn't it? So if base different, power same, we have one relation, that is a power m into b power m. In that case we have to multiply the base and we have to take the power common. Okay, so here we will multiply 3 with a, it will be 3a, and by taking power common it will be 3a whole square, isn't it? So let's write it 3a whole square. Clear? So this is how we can solve such type of equations or such type of exponential form. Okay, now in bracket we will use the let's write a power m into b power m equals a b whole power m. Okay, ab whole power m. We have used that one in this case. Clear? Okay. Now in this case also you can write since a power m divided by a power n equals a power m minus n. Okay. Just the basic thing is what you have to know the relation. Okay. If you don't know the relation, I am pretty sure you can't solve. You can't move to the next line also. Okay. So look, in this first case also, first in this case we are using relation, isn't it? How to make their base same, we are using relations. And the second line, look, again here also we are using relations. Here 3 power 6 divided by 3 power 4, that means we have considered this one is a power m divided by a power n, isn't it? Okay. So by this the basic funda is to know the relation. Okay. Okay. So now let's move to our next, that is we have to find out the value of certain powers. Okay. So here your question is find out the value of x. Okay. So now we have to find out the value of x, and that x will be in power, isn't it, in the exponent. Okay. X will be exponent of any certain number, and we have to find out the value of that x. So same process, same thing. Okay, just one is different, that is here one variable is given. Same way we will simplify that one. Okay. So the here our question will be what? Find the value of x. Okay. Find the value of x. Okay. Find the value of x. So here the expression is 2 by 7 power minus 3, number 1, 2 by 7 power minus 3 into 2 by 7 power minus 11 equals 2 by 7 power most probably it is 2x. Yeah, sorry, 7x. Sorry, it is 7x. Okay. So here x is here, isn't it? We have to find the value of that x. Clear? So how to find out the value of that x? Look, in right hand side we have only one term, isn't it? But in left hand side we have two terms. Okay. So we can easily simplify the left hand side. Okay. How we can simplify? Again we have to know the relation. If we consider here 2 by 7 as a, and this one is m and this one is n, so it will be a power m into a power n. That means what? A power m plus n, isn't it? So by using the relations of exponent we can solve anything. Okay. The main thing I am telling you again and again, that the main thing is to know the relation. Without relation we can't do anything. Okay. So let's start. So here we have considered 2 by 7 as a, isn't it? So it will be 2 by 7 minus 3 into 2 by 7 power minus 11 equals 2 by 7 power 7x, isn't it? So a power m into a power n means what? A power m plus n. Look, a power m, here m is what? Minus 3, then plus. Okay, with the formula a power m plus. So we have now given that plus. N is what? N here is minus 11. Look, minus 11. Many of you will do one mistake, that you will write the power like this. You will write the power like this. Note it down. It will be like this. 3. You will many of you will make mistake like this. Just you will put like this. 3 minus 3 plus 11. Either like this or like this. You will do this mistake. Okay. Remember this thing. Here what I have written? A power m. Here m is minus 3. Then plus a power m plus n, isn't it? M plus this for formula, and n is what? N is minus 11. Clear? Okay. Next one is 2 by 7 whole power 7x. Okay. So now look, here we have base same, isn't it? Base is same. Okay. Before that let's write one more line. Okay. 2 power 7 2 by 7 whole power, look, minus 3 plus minus is what? Plus minus is minus 3 minus 11 equals 2 by 7 whole power 7x. Okay. So again 2 by 7 minus 3 minus 11 is what? Minus 14. Minus 14 equals 2 by 7 power 7x. Now look, we have base same in both the left hand side as well as right hand side. Base are same, isn't it? That is 2 by 7. In that case also we have 2 by 7, as well as we have equal sign in that. In this, in middle we have equal sign. That means this power are also same. If power is not same, then there wouldn't have been the equal sign. Okay, since there is a equal sign and base is also same, that means the power is also same. So we will use this one. That means minus 14 equals 7x. Now we have to find out the value of x, isn't it? So we will change the side of 7. It will be where here 7 is multiplied, isn't it? So when you change the side, it will be divided. So it will be minus 14 by 7 equal x. Okay. Now if we divide minus 14 by 7, the result will be what? The result will be minus 2. Okay. The result will be minus 2. So we can write minus 2 equal x. So we have find out the value of x. It's very easy, isn't it? Enjoy the class. So now we'll write therefore the value of x is minus 2. Clear? Very good. Let us solve one more, okay? And I hope then you will be more clear. Okay. So next same question, find out the value of x, but only the thing is what, the expressions are different. Okay, next one is 1 by 5 and this one is 2 by 7. Same thing, just know the relation. Again and again I am telling, know the relation. Without knowing relation you can't. Okay, like if you don't know how to ride a bicycle, can you know how will it be possible to ride a motorcycle? No, isn't it? So first you have to know this bicycle, then you have to know the motorcycle. Clear? Okay, so here you have to first know the relation and then you have to, you can solve how you can simplify, okay, or you can find out the value of or anything whatever you want in the exponential power. You have to know the relation, isn't it? Without knowing relation nothing is possible. Okay, let's move to our next. There is 1 by 5 minus 3. 1 by 5 power minus 3. Okay, next is into 1 by 5 power minus 5. 1 by 5 power minus 5 equals 1 by 5 power x. 1 by 5 power x. Clear? Okay. Look, same thing, a power m into a power n. So we'll use that relation here again. So before that, let me write this one. 1 by a to the power m into a to the power n is what? A to the power m plus n. Okay, a to the power m plus n. Remember this thing, okay? This step is the most important step in solving this. Okay, m plus n. If there is negative sign, many of you will do mistake. Directly you write m, that is minus 3 plus 5. But here n is what? N is negative, isn't it? Okay, remember that one. Okay. So now minus 3 plus 5 is what? Okay, let's have a look. 1 by 5 power, look, minus 3, first write minus 3, then plus minus is what? Minus 5 equals 1 by 5. It is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 power x. Okay, so look, now 1 by 5 now minus 3 minus 5 is what? Minus 8 equals 1 by 5 to the power x. So base same, in middle we have equal, that means minus 8 equal x. So therefore value of x is minus 8. Clear? Okay, so now we will be moving towards one more question, which one is very important questions. And the question is what? By what number should we multiply 3 to the power minus 1 to obtain 5 as a product? Okay, here the question says that with which number we have to multiply a number, and the number is what? 3 to the power minus 3. Okay, and the product is what? 5. So when we multiply two numbers, the result is known as the product. Okay, so here the result is given, one number is given, and we have to find out that number, that particular number. Clear? Okay, So how to find out that particular number? First we have to assume, okay, that let the number be x. Clear? By using that we can find out the value of x. Okay, now if we find out the value of x, that means we are finding that particular number. Clear? Okay, we have solved such type of questions earlier also, isn't it? This one is for just revision and for concept, to clear the concept more. Okay, so let's write the question first. By what number should we multiply? By what? By what number? By what number should we multiply? multiply. But what number should we multiply 3 to the power minus 3? Okay, 3 to the power minus 3 to obtain a product, product to obtain a product of 5. Okay, that is with minus 3 to the power minus 3 we have to multiply which number, so that we get the product 5. So we don't know the number, we will consider let the number be x. Okay, so let's consider let the number be x. Now according to question, okay, according to question, 3 power minus 3 into x equals 5. So 3 power minus 3 can be written as 1 by 3 to the power 3. A to the power minus n can be written as 1 by a to the power n, isn't it? So now 3 power 3 can be written as 1 by 27 into x equals 5. So here numerator and to numerator multiply, x by 27 equals 5. 27 is divided, so when we change the side it will be multiplied. So now 5 into 27 is how much? 7 5s are 7 into 5. 7 into 5 is 35. 3 5 into 2 is 10. 135. Okay, so now if we multiply 135 with this 3 to the power minus 3, we will obtain a result as 5. Clear? Okay, so now we will write therefore the number is the number is 135. Clear? You can verify. Okay, now you can verify, that is you multiply 1 by 7 into 135, you get the result will must come 5. Okay, if it is not 5, that means our this answer is wrong. Clear? Okay, I hope this is clear to you, right? Many more questions may come like this, that is by what number we should multiply this, or by which number we should divide this. Okay, if there was divide in middle, we have to put the divide sign. Clear? Okay, now let's move to our next next concept, that is find out the reciprocal. Okay, what is the reciprocal? Reciprocal and the multiplicative inverse are same. Okay, reciprocal means what? If a is a number. Okay, this is clear, isn't it? So let us write, if a is a number, now the reciprocal of a is what? 1 by a. Just divide the number with 1. Okay, just divide the number with 1 and find out the reciprocal. Okay. So question is find out the reciprocal. Okay, find out the reciprocal. Find out the reciprocal. Okay, number 1, 6 to the power 0 minus 9 to the power 0. So sorry, 6 to the power 0 into 9 to the power 0. So solution, a to the power 0 means what? 1. So 6 to the power 0 also means what? 1, isn't it? So it is 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So now 1 divided by 1 is what? 1. So that therefore reciprocal, reciprocal of 6 to the power 0 into 9 to the power 0 or 1 is 1, isn't it? The value of this is this, isn't it? So we have written therefore the reciprocal of 6 to the power 0 or 1, that is the value of 6 to the power 0 and 9 to the power 0 is 1, isn't it? Is 1. Now if we divide 1 divided by 1, 1 is 1. Okay, let us solve one more. Find the reciprocal of minus 4 to the power 3. Okay, minus 4 to the power 3. Number 2, minus 4 power 3. Okay, so its reciprocal will what? Reciprocal will be 1 divided by 1 divided by minus 4 to the power 3, that means 1 by 4 whole to the power 3. Okay. Now, you can find out the value of 4 to the power 3, 1 by 64. So, it will be what? It will be minus 1 by 64. Clear? Okay. So, I just divide the number with 1, you will find the reciprocal. Okay. So, now we will be moving towards the last concept of this chapter, exponent and power, and the concept is the standard form of a number. Okay. So, what was standard form of a number? Standard form or scientific notation is what? When we express a number in a into 10 to the power n form, isn't it? When a number is expressed into a into 10 to the power n form, the form is known as standard form of a number. Clear? Okay. So, standard form, STANDARD, standard form of a number. Okay. And the expression is what? A into 10 to the power n. Okay. When we express a number in that form, this is known as the standard form of a number. Let us take one number 7 8 5 9 6 5. Number 1, 7 8 5 9 6 5. Standard form says us that after decimal, after one digit we have to put the decimal. Okay. So, using that rule, we have to put the decimal after one digit. So, 7 8 5 9 6 5. So, after decimal if we put, so it will be 7.85965, isn't it? Now, look, when we have put decimal, the value changes, isn't it? Look, this number is a great number, 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10 lakh, 7,85,965, and this number is less than 8, isn't it? So, value changes, isn't it? So, not to change the value, we will multiply it with a certain number. What will be that number? Look, for example, 3.65. Okay. So, to remove the decimal, we multiply with 100, isn't it? Now, if it was 3.6, to remove the decimal, we multiply with 10, isn't it? So, removing decimal depends upon the number of digits, that is how many digits are there after a decimal. Okay, it is based on that. Here it was 2 digits, so we have multiplied with 100, that is number having 2 zeros. Here it is 1 digit, so we multiply with 10, that is the number having 1 0. Okay. And here how many digits are there? Look, 1 2 3 4 5. So, it can be written as 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So, next is what? This 7.85965 into 10 to the power 5. So, this is the standard form of a number. Clear? Okay. Let us solve one more. Let's solve one more, boys. Let's solve one more. Just you have to express the number in the standard form, that is in that form. Okay. A into 10 to the power n form. Clear? Okay. Now, next number is 41925. 41925, then 5 zeros. Okay. A long big number. So, this is our question. We have to express this number in the standard form. So, solution 41925 1 2 3 4 5. So, put 0, put decimal after 1, so it will be 4.1925, then 5 zeros into, after decimal how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. So, now after decimal 0, no need to write. So, we can write it as like this, 4.1925 into 10 to the power 9. This is the standard form of that number. Clear? So, I hope this is clear to you, right? So, the remaining two chapters, that is algebraic expression and its identities, and this principal percentage and its application, will be completing in our next video. So, before that, stay safe, stay blessed. Tata, bye bye.